We are talking about an emergency-level decision unfolding inside Europe. A decision that many analysts say could seriously shake, weaken, or even break the European Union as we know it. This is not a rumor, not speculation from social media, but a real political and legal crossroads that could redefine Europe's future. For decades, the European Union has presented itself as a symbol of unity, cooperation, and shared destiny. It was built to prevent war, stabilize economies, and give Europe a stronger voice in the world. But behind the speeches and summits, deep cracks have been growing, and now one decision has brought all those tensions into the open. This emergency decision revolves around sovereignty versus integration. At the heart of the EU lies a basic question that has never fully been resolved. How much power should belong to Brussels and how much should remain with individual nations? For years, this debate was managed quietly. Now it has exploded. Several member states are openly challenging the authority of EU institutions. They argue that unelected bodies in Brussels are making decisions that directly affect national laws, borders, courts, and economies. According to them, this crosses a red line that voters never agreed to. On the other side, EU leadership warns that if member states start picking and choosing which rules to follow, the entire system collapses. The EU is built on shared laws. Once those laws lose authority, the Union becomes little more than a loose club with no real power. The emergency decision in question involves enforcing EU law over national law in a sensitive area. Whether it is migration policy, judicial independence, budget control, or foreign policy alignment, the principle is the same. Brussels is signaling that compliance is no longer optional. This has triggered intense backlash. Some governments see this as political pressure bordering on coercion. They argue that financial penalties, frozen funds, or legal action are being used to force obedience. For them, this feels less like partnership and more like punishment. Public opinion across Europe is deeply divided. In some countries, citizens support stronger EU control, believing it protects democracy and human rights. In others, people feel their national identity and democratic choices are being overridden by distant institutions. This divide is dangerous. When citizens lose trust, political systems weaken. Eurosceptic parties are using this moment to gain momentum. They frame the decision as proof that the EU no longer respects national sovereignty. We have seen this story before. Brexit, it was once considered unthinkable, yet it happened because political frustration met a critical moment. Many experts fear that this emergency decision could create similar tipping points elsewhere. Economic consequences are also huge. The EU single market depends on common rules. If countries begin defying rulings or withholding cooperation, trade barriers could quietly return. Investors hate uncertainty, and Europe is already struggling with slow growth and global competition. Financial markets are watching closely. Any sign of fragmentation can weaken the euro and push capital away. A divided Europe becomes less predictable and less attractive in a world already facing economic shocks. Security is another major concern. Europe faces serious external pressures, from geopolitical tensions to energy security risks. The EU was meant to act together in times of crisis. If internal unity breaks down, collective response becomes much harder. This emergency decision also raises questions about democracy itself. Critics argue that EU institutions are too far removed from voters. Supporters respond that shared rules protect democracy from local authoritarian drift. Both sides claim to defend democratic values. The problem is perception. If people believe decisions are imposed without consent, legitimacy erodes. Laws may exist on paper, but enforcement becomes politically explosive. Legal battles are already intensifying. Courts at the national and EU level are clashing over authority. When judges disagree on who has the final say, the rule of law itself enters dangerous territory. History shows that unions do not usually collapse overnight. They weaken slowly through unresolved disputes, growing resentment, and repeated crises. This emergency decision could be one of those critical moments historians later point to. Some leaders are calling for dialogue and compromise. They argue that forcing compliance will only deepen resistance. Others insist that backing down now would signal weakness and invite further challenges. There is no easy solution. Every option carries risks. Enforce the decision too harshly, and you push countries closer to the exit. Retreat too much, and the EU authority fades. Citizens across Europe are watching carefully. Many feel anxious, confused, or frustrated. They want stability, jobs, and security, not endless political battles. Yet these high-level decisions directly shape their daily lives. The global context makes this even more serious. As major powers compete for influence, a divided Europe loses leverage. Unity has always been the EU's strongest asset on the world stage. This moment could lead to reform. Some argue the EU must redefine its structure, clarify powers, and bring decision, making closer to citizens. Others believe the current model is the only way to survive in a competitive world. What is clear is that ignoring the crisis is no longer possible. The emergency decision has forced everyone to choose sides, openly and clearly. The future of the European Union now depends on what happens next. Will compromise prevail, or will confrontation escalate? Will this decision strengthen the Union, or will it expose fatal weaknesses? This is not just a European story. The outcome will affect global politics, markets, and alliances. A strong, united Europe plays a stabilizing role. A fractured one creates uncertainty far beyond its borders. As events continue to unfold, one thing is certain. This emergency decision is more than a legal or political move. It is a stress test of the entire European project. Whether the EU emerges stronger or begins to unravel will depend on leadership, public trust, and the willingness to listen as much as to enforce. We are witnessing history in real time. Decisions made now will shape Europe for decades to come. Stay informed, stay critical, and keep watching closely, because the consequences of this moment are only just beginning.